67-year-old man stranded on his boat during Hurricane Ian says he is thankful to be alive. The Coast Guard rescued him, and now they're all reuniting. News Channel 8's Brittany Muller joins us now live from the Coast Guard Air Station in Clearwater with this story of, I'm going to call it a story of gratitude.
Right, it is a story of gratitude, Jen. And death in that moment crossed David Littlefield's mind. Thanks to the Coast Guard, he is safe and alive. This is 67-year-old David Littlefield's 44-foot boat, listed on its side and mostly submerged.
These guys rock, and they deserve all the recognition that you can give them.
Littlefield was headed south on his boat near Pine Island South in an attempt to outrun Hurricane Ian.
The wind and the waves rolled the boat 90 degrees onto its starboard side. Water started to come in,
violently throwing Littlefield. That's when he knew he was in trouble. Littlefield put on his life jacket, sent out a mayday, and activated his EPIRB.
Don't panic! And so that's the big thing. You got to keep a level head. Rely on life experience, training, and then just hope for the best.
After 12 hours outside on his deck in hurricane-force winds, Littlefield finally heard the sound of a Coast Guard chopper overhead.
Seeing him again and knowing that he's safe, it's great. It really is. It's a good feeling.
Petty Officer 2nd Class Jethro Hauser was in the water to help hoist Littlefield up.
He grabbed me and, the first words out of his mouth were thank you.
In total so far, the Coast Guard says it's rescued 750 people as well as 100 pets. Reporting live this evening in Clearwater, Brittany Muller, 8 on your side.